Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play 2K Mobile. First, let's cover the fundamental controls. Use the left joystick for movement and the right buttons for actions like shooting, passing, and stealing. Practice these basic maneuvers in the tutorial to build muscle memory. Mastering dribbling and defensive positioning early on will give you a significant advantage. Remember, precise timing on your shots can greatly increase your scoring success. Get comfortable with these core mechanics before diving into competitive play. Now, let's talk about building your ultimate team. You can acquire new players by opening card packs, participating in special events, or bidding in the auction house. Focus on upgrading your favorite players' skills and attributes to boost their overall performance. Pay close attention to team chemistry. A well-balanced roster with complementary players will perform much better. Aim for a strong starting five and a solid bench to handle various game situations and maintain energy throughout matches. 2K Mobile offers several exciting game modes to test your skills. Dive into Season Mode for a full championship experience, challenge yourself in gauntlet events, or compete against other players in head-to-head matches. Each mode requires slightly different strategies. On offense, focus on smart passing and creating open shots. Defensively, try to anticipate your opponent's moves, contest shots, and force turnovers. Understanding the unique objectives of each mode will help you achieve victory and earn valuable rewards. Ready to elevate your game? Let's explore some advanced techniques. The pick and roll is a powerful offensive tool for creating open shots or driving lanes. Practice your shot timing diligently. A perfect release can significantly increase your scoring percentage and earn you bonus points. Always observe your opponent's tendencies and adjust your strategy accordingly. Exploiting their weaknesses while protecting your own will lead to more consistent wins. Remember, continuous practice and strategic thinking are key to becoming a top 2K mobile player.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.